$247,000 a year, $39,000 in just 2 days, $137,000 in just 1 month, and $12,000 a month, and all being able to do it from anywhere in the world. This is what the personal trainers are earning, and it all happened with one simple shift. And we call it the new Maverick Coach Model, because let's face it, the old model for personal training is you get certified, then you get one-on-one clients, and then you try and get more one-on-one clients, and the problem is you can only charge a certain amount, you can only actually see a certain amount of clients in a day, so therefore your income has a ceiling. You're capped and you're trapped by having to see your one-on-one clients the whole time, which means you can't earn the money that you really want and you can't have the freedom that you really want. And this is why I quit personal training in 2014, and it's been one of the best decisions of my life. And there are the 5 most popular ways in the new Maverick Coach Model that the personal trainers are choosing. There is the Pro Coach, there is the Power Coach, there's the Authority Coach, there's the Elite Coach, and there's the Maverick Coach. And this is how you're going to be able to earn more money. You're going to be able to help more people with your passion for health and fitness, and you're going to have the freedom that you really want. Every single one of our clients are in one of these 5 models, and this is an easy shift that you can make going from the old model to the new model, because this is what's working right now. And I get it, you probably see all over the internet and social media PT business coaches and gurus telling you what it is that you need to do, but the problem is that they are stuck being a dinosaur. They're following the old method. The game has changed, and it's time for you to ride the new wave. That's what's happening with online coaching. But the fact is that you can't follow a cookie cutter approach. Maybe you're just getting started. Maybe you're starting from scratch, or you've been an experienced coach and you've been in this game for years. And it depends with what it is that you want to do. How much money do you want to earn? Where do you actually want to work? How many people do you want to be able to help? And how do you actually want to coach your clients as well? All depends on what the right model is for you. So think about it right now. How much money did you just earn last month? And then how much money do you actually want to be earning? Think about that gap. And the thing is, what is stopping you from actually bridging that gap? Because if you've been working hard, if you've been trying to get your fitness business up and running and you haven't seen the results that you really want, it's time for a change. The game is changing, and I believe if you don't keep up with the changes, you could be left behind. You could be in a dinosaur where everybody else is being able to actually build a business in a smarter model. So don't take my word for it, and that's why I want to prove to you how this works. I want to show you exactly how 7 personal trainers just like you are making the shift from the old model to the new model, because what we're going to be able to do is show you exactly on the next page. You can have a session with me or one of my team members, and we'll be able to make sure that you're choosing the right model so you can have the success that you really want. We'll show you how to actually make the shift from the old to the new model that's going to be a right fit, and you'll walk away with a custom plan as well. And chill out, it's completely free. I've told my team members you can't actually buy anything on this first call. You've got to be able to qualify into it. So this makes sure that we're only helping you first. You're going to know, is this actually the right fit for you? So look, the game is changing, and it's time for us to be able to make a change, for you to help more people, and at the same time build the life that you really want. So click the link below, and we'll see you on the other side.